स्टार्ट करें हम लोग. Yes, so good morning everyone. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all of you, right? Kindly update in CSAT Thinkers that we are live now. Yes. All right. Yes, so everyone, I'm really sorry for the technical glitch that happened just earlier. And now let's start today's class. We are a bit late, but don't worry. We'll complete this. Complete the topic today that we have decided. So guys, here this is the YouTube channel where we are live, fine. And this is the book that we follow, and this is the test series that is being followed with this program. And guys, this is the CSAT, the CSAT Thinkers Telegram channel and Telegram group for the informations. And here are some recorded programs, right? Now guys, let's start about today's topic. This is time, speed and distance. Friends, time, speed and distance is actually a very logical topic, right? And here you just have to think logically and the question will be solved itself. Let me tell you, right? And obviously the required formula which is there is just the one formula that speed is equal to distance upon time. Everybody must be knowing about it. Speed is equal to distance upon time, right? All of you. The formula says, see here, distance is equal to speed into time, right? Guys, just look at the pyramid. Distance is equal to speed into time, fine. Time is equal to distance upon speed. I repeat, time is equal to distance upon speed. How? And speed is equal to distance upon time. All of you, fine. So this is the very simple format of the formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time, right? I repeat, time is equal to distance upon speed, and speed is equal to distance into time. All right. So guys, hope it is loud and clear to all of you now. Yes, I can see some of you. Pratyusha, Drona, Gaya, Civils, Prep. All right. So everyone, hope you know these formulas, right? Can you tell me what is the unit of the speed? All of you, what is the unit of the speed? I'll mainly focus on this. What is the unit of speed? Kilometer per hour. All right. Anyone? Any other unit is there?
Meter per second.
Yes. Guys, or it is meter per second. Actually, these two units will be required in the examination for you guys, right? And generally we use these two units only. Everyone, hope you know it very well, right? Now, just tell me one thing. If a speed is given to you in kilometer per hour, let's say it is x kilometer per hour, right? Guys, let's say this is x kilometer per hour and you need to convert it into meter per second. Then what you do about it?
5/18.
Okay. See, all of you, in 1 kilometer, how many meters do we have? 1000. And in 1 hour, how many seconds do we have? 3600. Right? So 2020 cancelled. So this is 5/18. Right? So if it is x kilometer per hour, then it is 5x/18 meter per second. Everybody clear with this? If it is x kilometer per hour, then it is 5x/18 meter per second. All of you fine? And vice versa, if let's say it is y meter per second, right everybody? I'm doing it here only. Let's say if it is y meter per second, then the conversion will be what? 18/5, right everyone? So this is 18/5 y kilometer per hour. Everybody fine now, right? So these are the conversions. Okay. Yes, all of you fine now. Everybody clear, right? So this is the simple conversion, and obviously we should be knowing about it. ये पता है सभी को. So there is no need to waste the time on it. And let's directly come to the questions. All right. So guys, here in the questions, let me tell you, you just have to think about what is being asked in the question, number one. Number two, how do we find that value? What is required for that? Suppose that in the question, they have asked the speed, for example, right? They have asked the speed. Then guys, to find the speed, what is required? Distance and time. Everybody clear? So just read the final question statement and as soon as you read the question statement, just think about it, what is required for this answer, for this value, right? And then just try to find those values in the question. Correct, everybody? This will be helping you in the data sufficiency questions also. Right, all of you? Okay. Now, just read the first question. A very simple question, guys, right? You just think on it, okay? And read the question first and just tell me what is being asked and how you are going to solve this. Yes, don't solve it. Everybody, just tell me what is being given in the question and what is being asked. Kya pucha gaya? What is the final question, guys?
Time.
Time. So for time, what is required? Distance and speed. Everybody. What they have asked? How many seconds? They have asked time, and time they have asked in seconds. Right. So everybody, time is what? Time is distance upon speed. Everyone, fine. Now distance they have given you in 400 meters. Everyone, distance is given in meters. And speed is given in kilometer per hour. So that you need to convert in what? Meter per second. Right. So how to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second? Into 5 by 18, everyone. Correct? So guys, here 18 will be going to numerator. So 400 into 18 divided by 200, sorry, 20 into 5. 20 into 5 is 100, this is 400, so 4 into 18, which is 72 seconds. Everybody clear with this or not? Right? So just read the question and think about the data, what is given and what is being asked. Right? That's it. And how to use that data to find the required information. Right? Yes, everybody? Okay. So those who are sitting online, guys, is it clear to all of you? Everyone? Those who are sitting online, yes, Pratyusha, Drona, Rama Prabhakaran, Gaya, Surya, Vara Telugu, Shine. Yes, everybody fine now? Shall we move to the next question? Right? And again, guys, just read the question and read the final question statement. What is being asked, right? And what is required to find that value? And where the required data is given in the question. So for example, we have found that distance and speed are required, right? But distance is given into meter and speed is given in kilometer per hour. So we also have to think like we need to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second also. Correct, everybody? Right? Okay. Now, let's move to the next question. See guys, again, मुझे बताएं जरा, all of you, just tell me first, what is given and what they have asked? What is the final question? Speed. Okay. And speed, that too in kilometer per hour. Right. And guys, for speed, what is required? Distance and time. Right. So speed is equal to distance upon time, guys. Fine. Distance is what? 750 meters. And time, see all of you, time they have given in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So it's better to convert everything into seconds. How many seconds are there? 150. Very good. See everybody, when we do this calculation, then we will get the speed into what? Meter per second. Right? What they have asked? Kilometer per hour. So what we have to do? 18 by 5. This value will be multiplied with 18 by 5. Everyone, just think on it. 150 into 5 is 750. Right? Or this is 5. 5 cancelled. The answer is 18 kilometer per hour. Guys, yes or no? Right? So just while reading the question, you can understand what they have asked and it can be solved logically, automatically. Right? Okay, please do it. Yeah.
So if 18 by 5, 5 will not go.
How?
So 150 into 18 by 5, so 5 is not going to numerator.
What exactly are you asking? Just come again.
580.
See, the thing is, let me tell you. Suppose that 2 divided by 1 by 2, right? What is the answer? The answer will be 4. Yes or no? Right? 2 divided by 1 by 2, the answer will be 4. So, how come this is 4? So, here, this 2 in the denominator will go to the numerator. So, this is 2 into 2 divided by 1. So, this is 4.
So 5 will not go that, that's what I'm saying.
See, here, if 18 by 5 is there in the denominator, then 5 will go to the numerator.
This is not in the denominator.
No, this is directly like 18 by 5 is directly multiplied with this. So, this time 18 by 5 is treated in the numerator. It is getting directly multiplied with this. For example, let me tell you, if 2 into 1 by 2 is written, right? Then it will be same as 2 by 2. Why? Because numerator will be multiplied and denominator will be multiplied. So, the answer is 1.
So that I understood, but.
Yes. So, the similar situation is here also.
So that is not the case with 5 by 18.
In the last question.
Yes.
In the last question, what the question was telling, in the last question, the question was, this is 400 by 20 into 5 by 18. This time, this 5 by 18 is multiplied here in the denominator part.
So why are you?
In this question, this 18 by 5 is multiplied here.
Why?
Why? Because this entire is into meter per second, right? And this you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. Correct? So, if meter per second has to be converted into kilometer per hour, it should be multiplied with 18 by 5. Correct? Fine? Alright. Yes. Okay, everybody. Let's move to the next question, guys. Everyone, is it comfortable? Huh? Alright. Let's move to the next question, guys. Just read this question, everybody. What they have given and what they have asked. Just tell me. Yes, all of you. What they have given and what they have asked. Just think on it. करिएगा नहीं, please.
डिस्टेंस दिया है, टाइम दिया है, स्पीड पूछा है.
Speed they have asked, right? Speed of the train, right? Speed of the train they have asked. Fine. So for speed, what do we need? We need distance and time, right? Time is given as what? Everyone?
1 minute.
Time is given as 1 minute. That is okay. Now, what exactly you need to find in 1 minute, what distance the train is traveling? To find the speed of the train, you just actually have to find in 1 minute what distance the train is traveling. Everybody clear? Right? Now, just tell me, guys, let me tell you one important observation, right? How many electric poles are there? Or telephone, जो भी लिखा हुआ है? There are 21, right? So all of you, for example, let me tell you there are only 2 poles, pole 1 and pole 2. And they are known to be 50 meters apart, right? Then what is the total distance between them? 50 meters. If let's say there are 3 poles, guys, don't write anything, just try to understand. If let's say there are 3 poles, pole 1, pole 2 and pole 3, right? If let's say there are 3 poles, then what is the distance between them? This is 50 into 2, right? This was 50 into 1, this was 50 into 2. If let's say there are 4 poles, then what is the distance between them? Yes, there are 3 intervals. Correct, guys? So what I'm trying to tell you is, for n poles, we have n minus 1 intervals. Right? Okay. So for n poles or n electric poles, whatever, we have n minus 1 intervals. Everybody clear? So please try to, try to observe these things first. और ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Why? Because UPSC has explored this concept in one of the questions, and I'll be telling you the PYQ also related to this. Okay? Now, everyone, for 21 electric poles, how many intervals will be there?
N minus 1. 20.
20, right? So for 21 intervals, everybody, for 21 poles, right? 20 intervals will be there, and each interval size is what? 50 meters. So distance will be what? 1000 what? Guys, 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. Right? Guys, if a train is going 1 kilometer in 1 minute, then in 60 minutes it is going 60 kilometers. Right? Train is going 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Right? So in 60 minutes it is going what? 60 kilometers. Right? 60 minutes means 1 hour. So in 1 hour the train is going 60 kilometers. So speed of the train will be what? 60 kilometers per hour. Guys, getting it or not? Everyone? The speed of the train is 60 kilometers per hour. Friends, getting it or not? Every one of you? Any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? No? Please note it down, and I'll tell you the UPSC question related to this. Those who are sitting online, guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? Those who are sitting online, guys, any doubt? Friends, any confusion? Give me any doubt? No? None? Can we? Fine? Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Very good. Shall we move now? Everyone, shall we move now? All right. So guys, now I'll tell you one question of UPSC which was based on this, right? So take out the book, please, everybody. Please take out the book. And you can share the book with someone. एक book पीछे दे दीजिए. Yeah. Come to page number 235. See guys, page number 235. All of you. Page number 235. Page number 235, question number 20. I repeat, page number 235, question number 20. This question was asked in CSAT 2022. Everyone? Yes, everybody? Right? Just think on this question. What this question is trying to ask you. The question is saying, all of you, I'll read the question. Some of you are saying, sir, please read the question. Okay. Yes. Suman Babu is saying, good morning, sir. All right. Yes, everyone. Question is saying, one side of a 1.01 kilometer long road, 101 plants are planted at equal distance from each other. What is the total distance between 5 consecutive plants? Right? Everyone. What is the distance between 5 consecutive plants? Right? Yes, everybody. Please try to solve this question if you can. Huh? What's the answer? B? B option? Okay. Guys, I'm getting one answer as B option. Can you confirm this? Everyone? I'm getting one answer as B option. Can you confirm this? B? Huh? Okay. Yes, all of you? Are you getting the answer? See everybody, let me tell you one thing, and one thing very honestly and very frankly, in the examination or not in the examination, being an IAS officer, it is a very important quality of an IAS officer to comprehend the thing very fast, very quickly, and to analyze the thing or to extract the data very quickly, right? For example, as soon as you have read this question, it should be clicked to you that this question is based upon n-1 interval concept, right? It is very important. Let me tell you, just read this question, guys. I'm just changing a different color. I'm just using a different color for this question because this is UPSC question, right? CSAT 2022. Question is saying 101 plants. So all of you, for 101 plants, how many intervals will be there? 100 interval, right? So 100 intervals will be there. So the entire long road will be divided into 100 equal intervals, right? And what is the length of the road is 1.01 kilometer, which is equal to 1010 meter, I am saying, right? Just this into 100, because all the answers are given in the meters. So this is 1010 meters, and this is divided by 100 to give you the size of one interval. Guys, this 1010 meters length will be divided into 100 equal intervals, right? So this is the length of one interval, guys. Correct? Now the question is saying the distance between 5 consecutive trees or plants, whatever, right? So for 5 plants, how many intervals are there? 4 intervals are there, right? So for one interval, the distance is 10.1. So for 4 intervals, the distance is 40.4 meters. Guys, is it clear? Right? So this was the concept behind this question, right? Though guys, this question does not belong to time, speed and distance question, but this question belongs to this concept. Clear? So just while reading the question, you are able to extract the concept behind that question, guys, right? और वो आपको तब समझ में आएगा जब आप हर एक क्वेश्चन पे सोचना शुरू करेंगे, right? जब आपने क्वेश्चन पे काम किया होगा, correct? Yes, friends, any doubt, any confusion? Shall we move to the new question, guys? Everyone? Huh? Okay. Yes, online students, guys, any doubt? No? Any confusion? Any query? No, guys? Huh?
So how will 101 plants become interval?
See, for n plants, we will have n-1 interval. So for 101 plants, we will have 100 intervals. Correct? All right. Yes, everyone, fine now? Okay. Now guys, I am giving you the next question, right? The next question is, let's say the next concept. The concept is average speed. Everybody, average speed. Till now we have found the speed, normal speed, right? This time we have the average speed, right? So guys, for average speed, what we have to do is, we need to find the total distance and we need to find the total time taken to cover that distance, right? Speed is what? Distance upon time. Average is what? Total distance covered upon total time taken. Total distance covered upon total time taken. Guys, clear? Now, the questions based on this will be what type? Just read the question, guys. Everyone, just read this question. Okay? Just read this question. The question is saying a man covered first 50 kilometers, right? A man covered first 50 kilometers at the rate of 25 kilometers per hour, right? After that, next 30 kilometers at the speed of 5 kilometers per hour, and last 20 kilometers at the rate of 10 kilometers per hour. The question is, we need to find the average speed for the entire distance. Correct, guys? We need to find the average speed for the entire distance. Okay? Yes. So all of you just look at the question and think about it. For example, first 50 kilometers and then 30 kilometers and then 20 kilometers. Correct? Right? After that, speed 25 km per hour, 5 km per hour and 10 km per hour. Everyone, just look at this, right? All of you, fine. Now, total distance is what? 100 km, like 50 plus 30 plus 20. This is the total distance covered, right, everybody? And the total time taken for this part, time taken for this part, and time taken for this part will be added. Correct? So guys, what is this? 2 hours. What is this? 6 hours. And what about this? 2 hours. So all of you, 2 plus 6 plus 2, which is 10 hours. Right? So average speed will be what? 10 kilometers per hour. Everybody clear with this? This is 10 kilometers per hour. Right? All of you fine now. Okay? So with this type of question, you should think about it. Like why, how are we attempting this question? What are we doing in this question? Right? So here, for each distance, we are trying to find the time by dividing the speed of that. Guys, clear? Fine? Everyone? Okay? So I'll give you one more question. And before solving that question, you just have to tell me what is to be done in this question. Yes.
Sir, but where already the speed is already given, so then why can't we like count the speed and then divide by 3? Why then the answer will be wrong?
See, let me tell you. For example, let's say just think on it, guys. This is, let's say, 80 and this is, let's say, 20, right? Just think on it. Fine. So here, the person covered 80 kilometer with 20 kilometer per hour. So here he took 4 hours, right? And here 20 kilometer he covered with 10 kilometer per hour. So here he took 2 hours. Right? Just think on it. Fine. Now, if you try to do like this, so just wait. Let me do it like this. Let me do it 10. Fine. So if you do 10 by 10, you will take 1 hour. Correct? Right? So if you add them, if you add them 80 plus 10, so this will be 90 kilometer. And if you add the time, this will be 5 hours. So here this is 18 kilometer per hour is the average speed for the entire distance covered, because he has covered the entire 90 kilometers in 5 hours. Correct, everybody? But if you try to find the average of these two speeds, right, this will be what? This will be 30 divided by 2, which is 50. Getting it? So obviously this answer can't be right. ठीक है? और ऐसा इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि देखिए ये डायरेक्टली सिर्फ इन वैल्यूज का रेशियो नहीं आप निकाल सकते। ये क्या है? ये स्पीड्स हैं डिफरेंट। एक्चुअली अगर ये भी सेम हो जाता, आप समझिए, ये जो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड है अगर ये सेम हो जाती तो फिर आंसर आ जाता। राइट। अगर डिस्टेंस कवर्ड है, ठीक, होता क्या है कि मतलब आप समझिए कि कवर्ड डिस्टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग जो टाइम है वो डिपेंड करेगा ना कि टाइम कितना लिया उसने, राइट गाइस, गेटिंग इट। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, थोड़ा सा हार्मोनिक मीन का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है, वो हार्मोनिक मीन शायद आप लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं है, राइट। दिस इज एक्चुअली हार्मोनिक मीन ऑफ द टोटल डिस्टेंसेस, आई मीन टोटल वैल्यूज, राइट। वो आप लोगों ने पढ़ा नहीं है तो इसलिए मैं उस पर जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ, एंड इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड ऑल्सो, राइट। सो टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड अपॉन टोटल टाइम टेकन, आप फॉर द टाइमिंग इसको समझ लीजिए, करेक्ट एवरीबडी, फाइन, ओके। सो नाउ फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड हियर मुझे ये बताइए इसको कैसे करें। मुझे ये बताइए गाइस सबसे पहले कि व्हाट वी हैव डन इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वी हैव डन इन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
टाइम निकाल लिया था,
टाइम कैसे निकाला था?
डिस्टेंस और स्पीड को डिवाइड करके।
वेरी गुड, डिस्टेंस से स्पीड को डिवाइड करके वी फाउंड द टाइम। व्हाट शुड बी डन इन दिस क्वेश्चन? ओके, what is to be done in this question, guys? Tell me the approach first, everybody, please tell me the approach. Yes, everyone, tell me the approach, please. Because from this approach I'll tell you so many different questions which have been asked in the examination also. Yes, कैसे करें इसको? देखिए, द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग व्हाट, अ कार ट्रैवल्ड फर्स्ट 1/3, राइट, अ कार ट्रैवल्ड फर्स्ट 1/3 ऑफ द टोटल डिस्टेंस एट द रेट ऑफ व्हाट, 10 km/h, and then 20, and then 60, right? See everyone, a car travelled first 10 km/h at the rate of 10 km. Sorry, at the rate of 10 km/h he travelled first 1/3. Again at the rate of 20 km/h he travelled next 1/3, and again next 1/3 he travelled at the rate of 60 km/h. What is the total average speed? What is the average speed for the total distance? Right, this is the question. What we have done in the last question, guys? You just tell me, in the last question we have divided this distance with this speed to find the time, right? And time, and the time were added and the distances were added, and total distance upon total time we have solved. यही किया था हमने, right? So friends, here मुझे ये बताइए कि what is to be done here, यहाँ पे क्या किया जाए? All of you, देखिए, this value will be divided by this number, and this value will be divided by this number, this value will be divided by this number, and the question is saying this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is also 1/3, so all of them are equal, right? So this number should be divided by this, and this number, the same number will be divided by this also, and the same number will be divided by this also, which means what? Which means these three numbers, yes, these three numbers must be, I mean this number must be the multiple of this, this and this, right? So take the common multiple of these three numbers. So take the least common multiple of these three numbers for the ease of the calculation, which is LCM. LCM of 10, 20 and 60 is what? 60 itself, right? So guys, here let's assume that this is 60 kilometers, this is also 60 kilometers, and this is also 60 kilometers. Guys, fine? Okay. Now, what is the time taken here in the first 1/3 part? 6 hours. Here 3 hours. Here 1 hour. What is the total distance covered? 180 kilometer. What is the total time taken? 10 hours. What is the average speed? 18 kilometer per hour. See everybody, this concept will help you a lot to solve these type of questions.
ये सब समझ में नहीं है सर, मतलब 60 क्यों ले रहे हैं?
आप
90 भी ले सकते हैं?
आप 90 ले सकते हैं, लेकिन उससे एक प्रॉब्लम आएगा कि 90 जो है इससे डिवाइड नहीं होगा, 4.5 आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे 1.5 आ जाएगा. 90 से आंसर आएगा. मैं 90 से करके दिखाऊँ आपको. 120 से भी आ जाएगा.
सेफ कैसे आ जाएगा?
आ जाएगा. करके दिखाऊँ. देखिए
करके मत दिखाइए, तब मुझे बता दीजिए आ कैसे जा रहा है, क्या मिशन क्या है?
देखिए एक्चुअली क्या होगा, जैसे मान लीजिए आप 90 लेते हैं तो वो 90 क्या होगा, वो 60 का 1.5 टाइम्स होगा. आप समझिए, तो हर एक वैल्यू यहाँ पे जो आ रही है वो अपना 1.5 टाइम्स आ जाएगी. जैसे ही आप 120 लेंगे, 120 विल बी डबल ऑफ 60. आप देखिए, आप यहाँ पे 120 लिखिए, ये 12 हो जाएगा, तो ये इसका डबल हो गया. ठीक. सिमिलरली ये जब 120 होगा तो ये 6 हो जाएगा, ये इसका डबल हो गया. सिमिलरली 120 लेंगे तो ये 2 हो जाएगा, ये इसका डबल हो गया. राइट. अब 120 विल बी 360. राइट. एंड देन इसका डबल कर देंगे आप तो ये आ जाएगा 20. फाइन. तो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद 2 इफ यू आर टेकिंग डबल ऑफ 60.
सर हमेशा ऐसे ही किसी पे एलसीएम जो हो वही लेते हैं?
एलसीएम ले लीजिए, या आप एलसीएम ना भी ले, आप कुछ भी ले लीजिए, वो कैंसिल होके वही आ जाएगा. बट प्रोवाइडेड व्हाट यू हैव टू फॉलो इज यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक द ऐसा नंबर विच इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ दीज 3 नंबर्स.
सर जहाँ डिस्टेंस सेम हो वहीं पे ऐसा करना है?
एग्जैक्टली.
जहाँ पे डिस्टेंस अगर डिफरेंट हो?
नहीं देखिए, डिस्टेंस डिफरेंट होगी तब तो वो बता ही देंगे ना. जैसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन में डिस्टेंस 50, 30, 20 था, डिफरेंट था ना.
सर जैसे 1/3, 2/3 ऐसे करके दिया.
तो यार 1/3 अगर 60 है तो 2/3 कितना हो जाएगा? डबल हो जाएगा. वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो आप कर लेंगे. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट फर्स्ट. राइट. वो सब हो जाएगा. यस एवरीबडी. Guys, shall I give you one more question like this? And please tell me the logic, right? Don't tell me the answer. Yes, all of you. Those who are sitting online, guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? No? Okay, that's great. See, everyone, please tell me the logic. For example, guys, I'm just framing a question in front of you. Just look at the question, everybody. The question is, let's say there is a triangular field, and this is an equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal, right? A, B, C. A man goes from A to B at the rate of 10 km per hour, B to C at the rate of 15 km per hour, and C to A at the rate of 12 km per hour. What is the average speed during the entire journey? I repeat, it is an equilateral field. I mean equilateral triangular field. A man goes from A to B at the rate of 10, B to C at the rate of 15, C to A at the rate of 12. What is the average speed during the entire journey, guys? Just tell me the answer. And I'll show you which type of questions are being asked in UPSC and how are they related with this concept. Guys, what is the answer? क्या करना होगा ऐसे बताइए. पहले मुझे बताइए. हाँ, क्या होगा LCM? 60. So what we have to do, we just have to assume this side as 60, guys, right? 60, 60, 60. Guys, what is the time taken here? 6 hours. What is the time taken here? 4 hours. What is the time taken here? 5 hours. Correct? So, total distance covered is what? 180. What is the time taken? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Right, everybody? The answer is what? The answer is 12 km per hour. Guys, it is clear? Right? एंड मैं आपको एक बात और बताता हूँ. एवरीवन इधर देखिए जरा. let's say this is a triangle, that is fine. If you just open this triangle like this, everyone, just think on it. If you just open this triangle like this will also become a straight line. I mean, this will just become a straight line like this. Everybody, yes? Right? Clear, guys? Now, we have done a straight line case, we have done triangular case. UPSC has asked an quadrilateral type of case. I'll show you the question, right? Everybody just note it down and then let me move to the UPSC question. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Shall we move? Huh? Take out the book, please. Come to page number 234, question number 15, guys. Everyone, page number 234, question number 15. Okay? Page number 234, question number 15. Page number 234, question number 15. In which year it was asked? CSAT? 2020. All right. See, guys, just read the question and tell me what is to be done here. मुझे बताइए जरा कैसे किया जाएगा. Yes, all of you. Just tell me what is to be done. आप मुझे बस इतना बताइए कि करना क्या है. Those who are sitting online also, see everyone, just tell me what is to be done. What is the LCM? 12. Yeah. See everyone, the question is saying a car travels, all of you just look at this. मुझे एक बात बताइए, if I assume this question like this, a car travels from A to B, right? For example, let's say the situation is like this, from A to B at the rate of V. Then let's say this is like this, and like this, and like this, right? Just think on it. A car travels from A to B at the rate of what? What the question is saying? V kilometer per hour, right? Now, then came back from B to A at the rate of 2V kilometer per hour, right? Then again A to B at the rate of 3V kilometer per hour, right? And then again B to A at the rate of 4V kilometer per hour. What is the average speed of the car? This is the question, guys, right? You can treat this question like this also. You can treat this as a square also, right? Where the car goes this, this, this and this, right? Like the case we have solved here. We have solved in the case of triangle. They are doing in the case of quadrilateral, right? Now everybody, what is the distance shall we assume between A and B? What is the distance we should assume between A and B? Everybody? The distance between A and B should be assumed as 12V, guys. Right? The distance between A and B should be assumed as 12V. Right? Now, just tell me, what is the total distance covered? What is the total distance covered? 12 into 4. 12, 12, 12, 12. 12 into 4, which is 48. The total distance covered is 48. Everybody, The total distance covered is 48v. Now what is the total time taken? Like for the very first time when the person was going from A to B, he will take 12 hours. Think on it, 12v divided by v, 12. Then 12v divided by 2v, 6, right? So 12 plus 6 plus 12 divided by 3, 4. Plus 12 divided by 4, 3. Everybody, yes or no? Right. This is what, guys? 6 plus 4, 10, and 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 10 is what? 25. So, this is 48v divided by 25. All of you, if this is, let's say 50v, the answer will be 2v, right? If it was 50v, the answer is 2v. But here the answer will be slightly lesser than 2, right? But more than 1. So the answer is lying between 1 and 2. Look at the options. Yes? The answer is lying between 1 and 2. Look at the options, guys. Clear, everyone? Any doubt, friends? Any confusion, any query? Right? The answer is lying between 1 and 2, V and 2V. Done, all of you? All right. Good. Shall we move now? Okay. Now guys, just look at this question. What is the process that we need to follow? Yes, everyone? What is the process that we need to follow in this question? Yes, everyone?
पहले 1 किलोमीटर का सर डायरेक्ट 1/20 निकाल लेते हैं कितना होगा।
अच्छा, ठीक है।
फिर सबको डिवाइड कर देंगे।
अच्छा, ठीक है। Anything else? Huh? Okay. See, everyone, just look about this, just think about this question. The question is saying what? A car starts from the rest and travels first 1/20th of 1 kilometer. ठीक? At this. Next 3 1/20th. देखिए, everyone. 1/20th, for example, let's say this is this, right? This is 1/20th. This is again 1/20th, and this is again 1/20th. Correct? Right? So 9, 12, 18, 36. Correct? And everyone. So in this question, the data is given only for this part. Correct? The data is given only for this part, and what are they asking?
1/5.
They are asking the average speed only for this part. Why? Because 1/20 plus 1/20 plus 1/20 plus 1/20. This is 4/20, and 4/20 is 1/5. Think on it. Right? So they have given the data for this part and they are asking the average speed only for this part. Right? Guys, it is clear? Think on it. Huh? Okay? So here, all of you, here, just assume the LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 36. What is the LCM, friends? Huh? What is the LCM? The LCM is 36. 36, 36, 36, 36. Right. Here this is 4, here this is 3, here this is 2, here this is 1. Right. So actually what I'm trying to say is we have ignored the 1 kilometer. Right. We have just considered this 1/20th of total journey. Right. Just assume this as 1/20th of total journey, right? And next 3 1/20th of the total journey, right? Just ignore 1 kilometer for your convenience. Guys, it is clear, right? Okay. So here the total time taken is what? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. What is this, guys? 10. And the total distance traveled 36, 36, 36 plus 36. What is this? This is 144. Right, everybody? So 144 divided by 10 is 14.4 kilometer per hour. Everyone, this is 14.4 kilometer per hour. Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? No? Everybody fine now? Yes, everyone, fine. So you have to think smartly, you know. Question will be solved, not a problem. Everybody fine now, right? Okay. Any doubt? Any confusion? No? All right. Let's move to the next question, guys. Hataun se. Okay. Now, friends, in average speed, we generally have two cases, right? And in the examination, case 2 is really important, but sometimes case 1 also can be asked. So, in case 1, when a person divides his total journey into two equal halves, right? Let's say this is A and this is B. The first half, let's say this is x kilometer and this is also x kilometer. He is traveling the first half at the rate of A kilometer per hour and second half he is traveling at the rate of B kilometer per hour. Guys, is it fine? And the question is, what is the average speed for the entire journey between A to B? Correct? Now just think on it, friends. Average speed is what? Total distance covered upon total time taken. Time for this part is x by A and time for this part is x by B. So here x can be taken common from the numerator and denominator and they will be cancelled. Fine. So this is 2 divided by 1 by A plus 1 by B, and 1 by A plus 1 by B will be what? This is A plus B divided by AB, and AB will be going to the numerator part. So this is 2AB upon A plus B, right? Again, guys, officer's test, right? Each data is saying something. What this data is saying to you? Just look at the entire thing, right? What this data or what this formula or what this expression is saying to you. Yes, everybody.
सर अगर जो डिस्टेंस सेम हो तो सर एवरेज टाइम टेकन ये है
नहीं, वो तो होगा ही, ये तो फॉर्मूला हो गया, राइट? मैं ये कह रहा हूं, देखिए केस 1 क्या कहता है? केस 1 ये बोलता है कि एक व्यक्ति ने अगर अपनी टोटल डिस्टेंस को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, फर्स्ट पार्ट को वो किसी डिफरेंट स्पीड से ट्रैवल कर रहा है, सेकंड पार्ट को किसी और स्पीड से ट्रैवल कर रहा है, ठीक? तो एवरेज स्पीड फॉर द एंटायर डिस्टेंस विल बी will be like this 2ab upon a plus b किलोमीटर पर आवर. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, इस डेटा को देख के मुझे ये बताइए what you can conclude from this case. ये डेटा क्या बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा है? Yes guys, each data says something, let me tell you, and being an officer you should be, you should be like having that quality to read that data, right?
डिस्टेंस की भी टाइम निकाला जा सकता है. डिस्टेंस ना बताओ तो सर टाइम को ऐसे ही निकाला जा सकता है एवरेज स्पीड से.
देखिए आपने एक बात सही बोली लेकिन थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हो गए आप. देखिए गाइस, here we are trying to find the average speed, right? And average speed is saying 2ab upon a plus b kilometer per hour. Here this formula is free from x, and what is x? X is the distance. So guys, even if the total distance is not known to you, you can find the average speed. Getting it everyone? That's why in the last question I have ignored 1 kilometer. Right everybody? In the last question I have ignored 1 kilometer. Getting it everyone? Right? Okay, all of you clear? So even if the distance is not given to you, you can find the average speed in these type of data, in these type of questions. Clear everybody? And I'll tell you the case 2 also. एक बार नोट करिए इसको please. Yes, those who are sitting online, guys, any doubt? Is it clear everyone? Right? Let's talk about case 2 everybody, huh? ठीक है? Yes, NV, comfortable? NV, N? Are you comfortable in the class? Okay. Now guys, case 2. Everyone, in case 2, what they have said is, the case 2 says, if a man goes from A to B with some speed and comes back with some different speed, right? I repeat, if let's say the distance between X and Y, sorry, A and B is X kilometer. A man goes from A to B with the speed of A kilometer per hour and came back with the speed of let's say b kilometer per hour, right? Question is we need to find the average speed for the entire distance, right? Now guys, here in case 2 and case 1, mathematically is there any difference? Mathematically I am asking. Mathematically there is no difference, and mathematics will prove this also. Let me show you, right? Here guys, what is the total time taken for onward journey? Total distance covered is what? X plus X, which is 2x. Total time taken for onward journey is X by A, and for downward journey it is X by B. जाने के वक्त जो टाइम लगा वो X by A लगेगा, लौटने के वक्त जो टाइम लगेगा वो X by B लगेगा. ठीक है? Now let's just look at these two things, two expressions. They're exactly same, right? So obviously the answer that you are going to get is also same. Okay, so this is 1 by A plus 1 by B. So this is 2AB upon A plus B kilometer per hour. Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query, right? What I have said, mathematically these two are the same cases, fine, and mathematics also have proved it by giving the same expression, right? And here again guys, if the distance between A and B is not known to you, even then you can find the average speed for the entire distance, entire journey, sorry. That's clear? Fine? Yes, all of you. Any doubt? Any confusion friends? Any query? No? Anyone in the class? Guys, fine? Okay. Now, let's move to some questions with this type of concept. Fine. All of you. पहले मुझे ये बताइए, this question belongs to what? This question belongs to case 1 or case 2 of the average speed. Yes, all of you?
This one.
This question belongs to case 1 or case 2?
This one. First one.
Case 1. Here, a man is going from, a man is dividing his total distance into two equal halves. The first half he is traveling with some speed, and the second half he is traveling with some other speed. Right? अच्छा, everybody, मुझे ये बताइए, what is being asked in this question? What is being asked in this question? Distance. Distance. Distance is what? How to find the distance? Speed into time. Time for the entire journey is given to you. And speed will be what this time? Speed will be average speed for the entire journey. Right? So everybody, the average speed will be what? 2ab upon a plus b. This is 45. Distance is what? Speed into time. Right? Speed into time. Speed will be the average speed. Right? Time is already given. That's it. This is the answer, guys. Right? This is the answer. Okay? Now, this is 5 into 9. 9 ko I am writing it 3 and 3. And this is 2. 5 into 9, 5 into 2. Correct? Now guys, this is 8. This is 7. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 into 4 is 224. Everybody fine now? Right? So, you should be knowing the concept, how to tackle this. Everything would be sorted. Right? Okay. Yes, all of you. What? 45 is the summation of 21 and 24. It is 2ab upon a plus b, where a and b are 21 and 24. Right? Okay. Yes, everybody. Very good. All right. Done, guys? Huh? Now, let's move to one more question. All of you, tell me the answer. ऐसे ही बताइए. Yes, all of you, this is case 2. 2ab upon a plus b. Right? Just do it. 2ab upon a plus b. So 2 into 60 into 40 divided by 60 plus 40. Think on it. This is 2 into 60 into 40. 2 into 60 into 40 divided by 60 plus 40, right? The average speed will be this, right everyone? Right? So this is 2 into 60 into 40 divided by 100, huh? So this is 48, yeah. Everyone fine now? And I'll show you the question of UPSC. One question they have asked. Come to page number 233, guys. Page number 233, question number 8. All of you. Page number 233, question number 8. The UPSC question. Got the answer? By looking at the question, you can tell the answer. Because in this type of question, distance is not mandatory. So it is irrelevant. They have given you 360, which is not required. So the question is exactly same as this. Yes or no? The question is exactly same as this. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 48. Right? 360 is irrelevant over there. Not required actually. Right? Yes. Everyone fine now? Shall we move? Huh? Now guys, let's solve one good question. Right? Let's solve one good questions of this concept. And everyone, let me tell you, if the question belongs to case 1, that question would be easier. But if the question belongs to case 2, that question would be a bit, tricky. Right? I'm not saying the question would be tough, but it will be a bit tricky. Right? Let me show you one question. Guys, just read this question. Just read this question. Right? This question belongs to which case, guys?
Case 2.
Case 2, right? Like village to post office, the person is going from village to post office and coming back. So obviously this comes to case 2 category, right? The question is saying find the distance between village and post office. See, Abhi, we have solved one question from case 1. In that question, the question was saying a man covered first half of his journey at 21 km per hour and second half of his journey at 24 km per hour and took a total time of 10 hours. Find the distance for the entire journey, correct? Here also, a man is going at the rate of 25 km per hour for first half, and for coming back, he is coming with the speed of 4 km per hour, taking a total time of 5 hours and 48 minutes. What is the distance between village and post office? Guys, getting it? कैसे किया था आपने वो वाला question? See, there average speed and time would be multiplied. Yes or no? Do you remember that? Average speed 2 into 21 into 24 divided by 45 into 10, what we have done? Average speed and time would be multiplied. So in this question also, average speed and time would be multiplied. Done? एक बार करिए जरा. All of you, एक बार करिए जरा. Tell me the answer.
Forty.
40, okay. Guys, I'm getting one answer as 40. Can you confirm this? How? 20. I'm getting one more answer, it is 20. Yes, everyone. See, guys, what is to be done? All of you, देखिए, everybody. A man goes from village to post office. Let's say this is village and this is post office. With the speed of 25 and coming back with the speed of 4. Right? So average speed will be 2AB upon A plus B. This is the average speed. Right? Guys, they are asking the distance. Right? Distance is speed into time. So average speed. And time is given as 5 hours and 48 minutes. So everyone, 48 minutes, which is equal to 48 by 60 hours. Right? So this is 4 by 5. Right? So 5 hours and 4 by 5 hours more. So this is 4 by 5 hours, which is 29 by 5 hours. Everybody okay? So this is 29 by 5 hours. 29 cancelled. So this is 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 into 4 is 40. But guys, 40 kilometer is the total distance for the entire to and fro journey. What they are asking distance between village and post office only. So this number will be divided by 2. So this is 20 kilometer. Right, everybody? This is 20 kilometer. Getting it, everyone? So that's what I'm saying. These type of questions are a bit tricky. So please mind it. And in the options, they will also give 40 kilometers. Right? In the options, they will also give 40 kilometers, but 40 won't be the answer. The answer is 20. Right? Okay, everybody, clear now? Done, guys? Huh? Okay, that's great. Those who are sitting online, Bharat Telugu, you are getting it now. The answer is 20. You are saying 40. All right. Okay. What? After that. Okay. This concept we'll discuss tomorrow. Right, guys? Okay. So that's all for today. Right? So guys, tomorrow at 10:30 we'll start this time and speed ratio, right? Thank you everyone, thanks for the session, and I'm sorry once again for the entire glitch. Okay, thank you everyone, thank you guys, thank you.